Boarding na kami.
Yes, ilang hours ka nagising?
12 times 2. This is our first time to try the morning flight.
So guys, for this trip kami dalawa lang. First time.
Wow, mag-aaway ba kami?
Abangan.
Pero I think hindi naman. Kasi maliligaw ako.
Tingnan natin kung
Tignan
paano natin
natin.
masosurvive ang Taipei.
Taiwan.
Yan. Yung plane namin, guys.
Nakikita nyo ba yan? Doon kami sa likod.
And surprisingly, magkatabi kaming dalawa. Kahit di kami bumili ng seat selector. Ay, ba't ang dalawa lang sa daan, no? Look, kami na.
Naiwan sila.
Hi, thank you, Lord. We are finally boarding. Feeling ko nasa pinakadulo tayo kasi 47.
Ano ba tayo mo?
Nasa 30 plus lang. Okay, yan. See you later.
Hello.
May locker sila here, guys, sa main station. Nahanap namin ngayon kung saan yung pick-up ng mga taxis.
Pick up please.
Hey! Hey guys! Finally arrived here in Taipei, Taiwan! Kamusta ka, Ben? How are you?
I'm tired. I want to sleep first. Ano na?
So, aakit kami dun, guys. So, yeah.
Golden things, gold hair, gold rings.
So, we are currently staying here in Hotel Puli. And this is what it looks like. Here, dyan. Then table. Then yung bed. Then may TV din sila. And then here is the bathroom. Say hi.
Hello.
Gutom na kami, guys. So,
We're going to eat.
madali ang ano lang to, room tour. So, nabook namin to sa Agoda. And I think it's around 2K per night for 2 people. So, mas makakatipid ka if dalawa kayong mag-check-in. Since, syempre, hati kayo sa bayad. So, yeah. Okay naman siya para sa amin. Hey guys! It's Ayla! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, guess what? Dito kami ngayon sa Taipei, Taiwan. I'm with the boyfriend. Say hi! So, today is April 18 and kagigising lang namin. Nakapagbawi na kami ng pahinga since yung flight namin is morning. So, wala kaming halos tulog, no? So, ngayon nakapagbawi na kami. Ang plan namin is to go sa Taipei 101 and also mag-try ng mga foods sa night market nila and maybe do some little shopping. So, tara, samahan niyo kami sa aming adventure. And also, dito pala kami nag-i-stay ngayon. Pakita mo. Sa Hotel Purisimen. And guys, super lapit lang niya sa Ximending. You should try to book here or you should check it out. So yeah, ito yung mga place na malapit sa hotel namin. So maraming ganyan, yung mga arcade. And also, this one, you should try this one guys. Dito kami nag-lunch kanina. Super nice ng noodles nila. Ayan. Marami talagang mga ganito guys. No? Ayan. He's navigating. So, hindi ako nag-travel solo today. Yes, may kasama ako. Buhay prinsesa ulit ako ngayon, guys. Hindi ko kailangan may stress.
Golden gold. I've got it gold.
Alam niyo guys, we can't believe na naglalakad kami ngayon sa streets ng Taiwan. No, we are so grateful. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for our job. Thank you, self, for doing our best in life, no? Hi. Medyo maulan lang ngayon, guys, pero I think magiging okay din naman yung weather later. Ang ganda nun.
Big step forward. Splinter, something new.
Ooh. So right now, we are navigating yung isang grocery shop here sa Taipei, Taiwan. Kasi we are planning to buy pasalubong na. Yes, in our first day. Para wala na kaming iisipin pa. And guess what? Naliligaw kami. Hindi namin alam kung paano siya hanapin sa Google Maps. Joke. Here's the street. Okay, didiretso na kami guys. And, you know pala guys, story time lang. Alam nyo ba, muntik na akong hindi matuloy dito sa trip na to kasi grabe yung acid ko. Kasi uminom ako ng kape like 2 days before our trip. Super tapang ni pala. Yeah. Ano ba, stress ka na ba? You're stressed?
No. I'm just enjoying the view.
Yeah. I think mas maganda or ma-appreciate mo yung streets ng Taiwan kapag gabi. Kasi, you know, they are known for their street foods, for their foods. Yeah, I'm so excited to try them later. Oh my gosh. I still can't believe na naglalakad kami ngayon sa streets ng Taipei, Taiwan. Grateful for everything. Thank you so much, Lord, for everything. And yet, this is our first international travel na wala kaming kasama, na kami dalawa lang. And so far, so good naman. Di pa kami nag-aaway, guys. Okay pa yung relasyon namin dalawa. Di ba,
Dito
Be?
7-Eleven.
Ah, yeah. Temo, check yung 7-Eleven nila, guys. Super cute! Ba't ganito?
Golden. I'll follow.
Perfect. Hala, ba't ganito nilalakaran namin? Parang walang...
Golden things.
Parang wala ng mga establishments dito, be. Saan tayo patungo? Dito kami ngayon, guys, sa Carrefour Market. I don't know if I pronounce it right, pero nakita namin sa TikTok kasi dito yun daw yung mga murang pasalubong. So, let's check it out. Ayan siya, guys. So here guys sa market is may makikita kayong souvenir shop and I don't know if ito na yung pinakamura but I think the price is good naman. May mga keychain, magnets, and also may food din sila here guys. So i-check namin siya mamaya. Over there. And then may ATM machine naman dito. Not sure lang if tumatanggap sila ng card here. So, yeah. Hey guys! So ngayon, papunta kami ng Taipei 101 and we are just waiting for our Uber. And tip lang guys, kung gusto nyo makatipid, pag magdi-DIY kayo ng mga New Year sa Taipei, Taiwan, talagang dapat is pag-aralan nyo or dapat i-consider nyo yung train kasi yung Uber is a bit expensive. So, nag-Uber lang kami kasi hindi na kami aabot sa line. So, yeah. We are just waiting for our Uber and sana makaabot kami kasi 5:30 p.m. yung binook namin time for visiting the observatory. He's there and he's stressing out. So, that's our Uber now. Hey guys! So, right now, we are currently here na sa Taipei 101. Look! Wow! What can you say? What can you say?
Smash it.
Guys, ang lamig. Hindi ako prepared. Ba't ganito? Oh, come on. I think pwede na pumasok.
Ano pa tayo?
5:30, 5:20. So, papasok kami sa loob kasi nag-book kami ng ticket sa Klook. I think guys, it's kung gusto niyo pumasok is 1,000, no? 1,014. I think as far as I can remember, it's 1,014 per ticket. So, sa observatory lang yon. I think yung view lang. So, let's see anong meron or makikita natin sa ticket. Yeah. Ooh, that's nice. It's me and the escalators again. So, we need to go sa 5th floor para makapunta sa 88th floor ng Taipei 101. Oh gosh, ang taas. Last floor. Let's go. Dahil pa ng big stars. Last floor. Nasa line na kami ngayon, guys.
各位贵宾，请看两侧荧幕显示楼层高度、速度及时间。Please look at the screens on both sides indicating floor, height, speed, and time. 右侧的荧幕表显示在旁边是显示的高度、速度、time, continue on the west screen. 两侧设置可行은 엘리베이터의 층수 높이 서서와 시간 90수 있습니다. 我们已经抵达世界。We have arrived at
We are currently here in the 89th floor ng Taipei 101 and let's see anong view guys. Parang puro clouds. Let's check muna kaya din. Where? This is what it looks like. Para siyang 360 view din ng Taipei. Okay. Let's check. Okay, that's the view, guys. So, may coffee shop here din, guys. Cloudy na pala ng ganitong oras, but it's fine. Still good. So guys, naghahanap kami ng makakainan. And guess what? Anong hinahanap namin? Yung may rice. Saan kami hahanap ng resto na may rice? Kasi puro noodles here. Sige, as an Asian. So let's see saan tayo mapapadpad for today. So this is what the nightlife food trip looks like. Guys, actually, di kami na nakanood ng mga vlogs na kung ano dapat namin i-try. Wow, ang dami namang options dito. Pero anong bibili natin food? Good to try. First food to try, guys. So this is the Taiwanese fried chicken. And we ordered yung mild lang, no? Mild lang na flavor. Cheers! Cheers! Business! Guys, masarap to pag may rice. Parang may iba sa luto nila, no?
Lambot.
Hindi, may parang may susunod na kakaiba.
So good.
Ang lambot niya guys, then super crispy.
Ikaw ba?
Next thing to try. Next thing to try. So we order mango pomelo sa So this is the third food that we are trying tonight. So we will gonna order rice and sausage combo. Haray ni Kuya, sobrang bilis eh, no? Perfect ka dyan, Kuya. Look. Hey guys! It's our second full day here in Taipei, Taiwan. And today, nagbook kami ng day tour sa Yilan, sa Klook. And
Makakakanta na ako ng 7-Eleven.
And today's the day na makakakita kami ng capybara. Yes. Okay, ngayon, as of now, hinahanap namin yung McDo, guys. Kasi doon namin balak mag-breakfast.
One
Gosh.
more.
Look at the streets.
Kahit lang pala to.
Yay, we made it to the Lanyang Sea.
The raptor photo session will start at 14.
Ayun, may brush dun, no?
Say hi.
Sarap eh.
Kahit tayong brown.
Sige, be, go. Lapit ka. Dito po, dito po. Lahat sila nandito. Ay, ala, ala, ala. Yan na, go.
Lalaki nito. Taban. Alam mo may isa pa dun sa likod.
Laki na. Dito!
Nangaagi Nagagaw na.
Wow! Nasa museum kami ng bubble tea. Kung paano siya ginagawa. Hey guys, we're here at Yodong Night Market. Our last stop for this tour.
We're going to eat.
Yeah. Titignan namin kung ano yung makakain namin here. So, let's see. Ito siya, guys. So, for food stalls lang here, guys. Yan, tapos yung mga tao kumakain lang sila dyan sa tapat ng food stall na magpipili nila. Guys, super nice lang na book naming trip. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link on the description box. Super chill lang, right? Pinaka nag-enjoy kami dun sa farm.
Well, dahil
Kahit na maraming tao, guys, parang na-accommodate pa rin tayo lahat. Like, hindi siya siksika, no?
hindi ganun kalaking park.
Shout out to Kuya Darwin Jesra for lending us his mic. Ano lang yun, guys, testing baga kung bibili na ba kami or hindi. Wow. Ang ganda ng north side, no? North tayo, alam ko eh. North side ng Taiwan.
Ilan?
Yeah. Parang sobrang refreshing sa eyes. Tapos, mapapansin nyo guys, lahat ng tao dito is madisiplina, no? Ang linis ng daan, walang nag-overtake bigla-bigla, walang nagbubusina. Also, parang nakikita talaga yung napupunta yung, kung saan napupunta yung tax nila. Like, wala silang toll fee, guys. No? Basta super madisiplina ng mga tao.
Then bawal kang sasakyan pag isa mo lang gumagamit.
Ay, really?
Yeah. Kanina kasi sa toll, sa expressway,
Oo.
pinarang yung isang babae doon. Isa niya lang kasi.
Oh.
So, sabi nung tour guide namin,
Mhm.
dapat at least 3 or 4.
Sa isang
Sasakyan.
car. Oh,
Kasi nagpo-cause daw ng traffic yun kung kada tao.
isa. Oh, that makes sense.
Well, nabasa ko din siya sa placard. Na pag yung
Oh,
sasakyan mo is
Yun lang, may
5
bumusina
seater.
bigla.
Pag 5-seater yung sasakyan, dapat 3 to 4 yung laman
Oh.
pag babiyahe.
Actually, that makes sense, guys. Kasi, 'di ba, sa atin, parang halos lahat may sari-sariling car na, kaya
Yeah.
nagkakos na ng traffic talaga.
I think the issue was masyadong car-centric yung Pilipinas. Sobrang luwag ng government natin when owning a
Car.
car.
Dito talagang mahigpit sila. Kaya sobrang ganda talaga ng Taiwan. Tapos guys, sobrang linis niya. Ewan ko, pero wala pa kami napupuntahang place na, alam mo yun, makikita niyo yung kalat sa daan. Or mga dura-dura. No, wala. Or I don't know. Hi.
If only.
The realizations. No. Tapos, super ganda ng transportation system nila dito. Guys, like, from the trains pa lang, oh my gosh. No? Talagang nakakagulat. Nakakawaw.
Muna tayo.
Dito daw ba tayo
Dito.
meet up? So, we're just waiting for our service kasi yung tour namin na last is hanggang 6:30 p.m. lang.
Then,
And it's
pauwi na kami.
6:20 pa lang. So, may 10 minutes pa kami na gugugulin. At yung 10 minutes na yun is magre-realization.
Yeah. One good thing din sa Taiwan is wala masyadong naglilinis dito.
Yeah, no?
Hindi mo nakikita yung mga LGU na naglilinis sa iba sa mga gilid-gilid pero malinis siya.
Yeah, that's right.
Tapos magtataka ka kasi malinis na yung lugar pero walang basurahan.
Yeah. Oh, weird, no?
So I think nagre-reflect yun sa tao.
So, I think it's the people. And, yeah,
Minsan makakakita ka lang ng basurahan sa
sa mismong
Hotel na,
hotel
ganyan.
na
sa mga MRT station. Pero dito kunwari ito,
mga random, wala, no?
Wala sila.
Super disiplinado ng ng mga
Kaya
tao.
pag may kalat kami, binubulta ko muna. Tapos sa hotel ko na siya tinatapon or pag may nakita.
Yeah.
Tapos disiplinado rin sila sa mga pedestrian.
Yeah.
Walang
Mahigpit
tumatawid
dito,
kung
guys.
saan-saan.
Yeah. May napanood nga ako sa TikTok, no?
Na sila.
Na-fine sila kasi tumawid sila sa
Lugar.
hindi tamang tawiran. So dito, mahigpit sila pagdating doon. Grabe, ang ganda talaga ng Taiwan. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Parang babalikan talaga. Babalikan pa namin yung iba pang place na pwede puntahan dito sa Taiwan. Hi. Ang tahimik, ang peaceful, no? Grabe. Hi. Tapos guys, shout out nga pala sa nakasama namin kanina, si Miss May. Grabe guys, super grateful kami sa kanya kasi feeling namin may hirapan kami kapag hindi siya dumating kanina, like pag di niya kami tinulungan. Well, kasama naman namin siya sa tour. Then Pinay siya, pero resident siya here sa Taiwan. Then kanina nung nag-lunch kami sa tour na to, sobrang may language barrier, so hindi talaga may intindihan ng iba kapag nag-English ka. So yeah, thank you Miss May for helping us.
Then nilibre niya kami ng lunch.
Kaya nga, nakakahiya, pero super thankful kami sa kanya. Sobra. And then, for tomorrow, ang tour naman namin is sa Jufen.
Jupen.
Basta, yung check ko na naman mamaya sa Klook.
Taiwan with my inhaler.
Inhaler. Tapos guys, marami ring ano dito, parang shops na pwedeng bilhan ng mga damit like sa Vietnam, sa Ho Chi Minh. And same lang din sila sa nakikita ko, like yung sizes nila is more on pang fit on the petite side.
May chika pa pala ako, guys.
Pero super nice naman ang quality and
Guys.
ng mga design. Ano?
May chika pa ako.
Ano?
Nakadaan na kami na ilang beses ng gas station. And I think around 50 pesos to 60 pesos lang yung mga gas nila. So I
Yep.
don't know what happened to Philippines. Bakit naging times 4 yung atin.
Ano pala to guys, ang title ng vlog na to ay Taiwan versus Philippines. The Realization.
Yan.
Ayan na yata yung tour namin. Yung van namin pala. That's all guys. Bye! Hey guys! Mag-isa ako right now since nagpapahinga na si Lawrence and I'm just here sa Shimenting Open District. So I don't know if naririnig niyo ako kasi naioko rin yung mic ko. But yeah.
全球热销60多个国家。
Looking ng pwedeng pasalubong.
Dito yung favorite ako. Pasutin, pasusan, pasuku.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, feel it coming in. Golden, I'll
Suddenly become a women writing today because there's a American TV series everybody loves. Raymond, yes, please don't call me Richard, okay? Although I wanna be rich. Okay. So now you know my.
Mount Laurel high five.
Hey guys! Today is nagbook kami ng tour sa Klook, which is yung mga tourist destinations here sa coast. So, ito yung una naming destination and ito yung sa labas guys nung entrance. Here's Lawrence. Say hi! Ayan siya guys. So, sa entrance, may makikita kayong ganito. Grabe, ang daming tao kahit na Monday yung tour natin, no? So, dito tayo sa may hagdanan. Ayan siya. Hillview Geopark.
And also, I will also go to Zhongli because it's a highlight. And there's a career around. If I see you later, I can take picture for you. You can not only see your face, but also the reflections.
Come on.
Hello, guys.
So, let's see kung makakailang steps tayo papunta doon sa mga rock formations here sa Hillview Geopark. So, I don't know if I pronounce it right. Did I pronounce it right?
No. I don't know also.
Yeah. I think much better guys if may dala kayong payong kung ayaw yung masyadong mainitan. Yeah. Here's the view while walking papunta dun sa rock formation. The view. Yeah. Guys, dun yung parking lot ng bus station. Then, lalakad kayo medyo mataas lang na uphill. Then, dito na. Madilim naman dito sa nilalakaran namin guys kasi marami namang puno. So yeah. Grabe ang ganda ng dagat, no?
Kailangan natin magpahinga-pahinga.
Yeah.
Mataas ang kalsada.
So sa tour guys, ang nakikita ko lang namang disadvantage sa tour is yung time dahil may time limit lang siya per destination. So very limited lang, no? Unlike if for example nagbook ka ng private car or private tour, at least pag ganon, hawak nyo yung time nyo, but you know, expensive. Medyo uphill lang talaga yung daanan guys, no? Pero yeah.
Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden
Yung
thing.
mga rock formations, so doon yung makikita. Then doon sa taas mo yung mga.
Gold hair. Gold
So let's see. Okay. Yay! We finally reached yung mga rock formations here guys. So medyo marami ng tao talaga ngayon. Maraming tourists. But ganyan yung itsura na. Oops! So let's check it. Yan siya. Wow! Look at that. Ganyan siya ng malapitan guys. Wow. Na-amaze talaga ako sa mga rock formations. Okay. So, pwede pa tayong umakyat here and there's more rock formations pa here na available. Look at that.
gold leaves. Gold anything. Gold. I'll follow you.
Meron pang rock formations dun guys, pero di na kami lalakad doon kasi super init. We finally made it to the Sheaf and Old Street. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. And we're just looking for the store na may lantern. Yeah. Daming stores here, guys. Like for souvenirs at saka mga food stalls. So far, this is our lantern. Looks like.
Walk by the river. By night.
Wow! Good health, good governance. Tama!
Feet step over. Splinters at the moon. Golden, I'll follow the golden, 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 golden things. Gold birds, gold string, gold birds, golden things, gold. I follow from the golden, golden, golden things,
Currently
golden.
walking sa Jifen. Walking street, old street.
Golden, I'll follow the golden, golden. Mountain Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and